Hi guys, thanks for tuning back into the channel. So we're going to show you this Autel tool which works on McLaren vehicles, and we're going to hook it up. Well, we're going to show you what systems it will connect to on a 600LT Coupe and Spyder version. So the tool itself, we'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video, but we're super excited to have diagnostics now for McLaren vehicles where we've previously not been able to offer anything for anybody for years. So we're going to show you the screens here, and we've got the software and the tool already. So we'll pop the link to this in the description, but as you see on the right hand side, we've got a list of all of the McLaren vehicles that it will connect to. So we're looking for 600LT, and we've got the Coupe and the Spyder right here. Okay, so we click onto Coupe and it's going to ask us the model year. We're going to use 2020 as an example, and then just click OK. So then we're going to click onto control unit, and this is going to allow us to see all of the systems that it will allow us to connect to. So if you've got a warning light, like a check engine light, powertrain control module, like the transmission, the electronic stability program, the ABS, the Airbag system, and any of the other systems like the doors, the seats, instrument cluster, tire pressures, steering angle sensor, and then a couple more on this little screen here as well. So this tool will allow you to diagnose them, reset them, look at the fault codes, look at the description, look at the live data, and a few more bits of information. So then what we can do is we can just come back one, and we go into hot functions, and then it shows you the service functions that it will cover on this vehicle. So we've got the oil service reset, the electronic park and brake, and the throttle calibration or throttle reset. Okay, so that's the Coupe version. We'll come out of this and we'll just go into the Spyder version just to show you what the difference is. I mean, obviously we know the difference between the Coupe and the Spyder, but when it comes to diagnostics, everything is exactly the same as the Coupe. However, we have got the additional option on this one to do the convertible roof system as well. Okay, so if you've got a problem with the roof system, then by all means this tool will allow you to diagnose and reset that fault. And then again, the hot functions will be exactly the same as the Coupe. So that's it. That's really just to show you what it will do on the 600LT Spyder and Coupe. Now we do have this kit in stock. It's always in stock, same day dispatch, and it's a fantastic package. But you know, if you do have any further questions, I'll pop the email address below. I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below, so you can peruse the information on the website, and also send us an email if you've got any further questions, and you can also buy it on that website as well. Okay, thanks for watching, and I do hope this has helped.